As the year is coming to an end, you need to evaluate how your year went. And I think one of the best ways to evaluate how you did as a cleaning business owner and as a business owner in general is to look at your systems. What are you looking at when you look at your systems? What did your systems run smoothly? See, you have to understand that whether or not you've intentionally sat down and planned a system, you actually still have a system. Whatever that you're doing is your system. So you need to look at, okay, what was I doing? Let's take, for example, bringing people on board. You need to ask yourself, where did I find these people? How did I evaluate them? How did I train them? What are some of the things I did consistently that got me to get the best staff, right? Whatever that you did, look at it now. This November, look at it now. Put it in writing. Begin to analyze it. Begin to understand what you did. So that next year when you come, your company is actually a little better because you have analyzed the system, you have audited it, and you understand how it will run, right? Don't wait. What I don't want you to do is to wait for next year to plan for next year. Plan for next year this year. Plan for next year now. Look at the systems and the processes that you had. Put it into writing. We call it standard operating procedure, right? So that you know exactly what you do from point A to point B to point. You understand it and it's replicable. So that in case you lose anybody, any of your staff decide to go to a different, go their own way, whoever comes in can be able to replicate. It also allows you to sit down and reflect on your business and how well you did or how well you did it. A business owner who doesn't reflect on their business is a business owner that is waiting for failure. So as we end the year, I want you to just sit down and begin to look at what you can do to make next year better. You should have improved goals. You should want to hire better staff. You should want to do better. Your marketing should be better. Your sales should be better. Everything you do should be better next year. And I promise if you do that, next year will be much successful. Thank you so much. I hope you learned something. Let me know what you learned. And our website is coming out by the end of this week. We had a little glitch, but I hope that we are fixing it. Not that I hope. So I hope you jump on it and tell us what you think. See you around.